As our 15th anniversary celebration continued, Disneyland Resort Paris is happy to invite kids under 7 years old to stay and play for free. It's big! The fun promises to be magical. Mesdames et messieurs, bonsoir. Bienvenue au 61e Festival de Cannes qui se déroulera du 14 au 25 mai 2010. My hair used to have a mind of its own. Then, a few weeks ago, I stopped complaining. I started to use Pantene. Pantene has got something on it called Provitamin B5 complex. I don't know what it is, but I know what it does. Because every day, my hair looks fuller and shinier. Quelle est la différence entre un clavier d'ordinateur et une cuvette de WC? Bactériologiquement parlant, il n'en existe aucune. La France, search and influence. Fashion, perfume, food and wine. When you visited the new Sauvignon Estate, don't be surprised if you find yourself craving for a drink. At Sauvignon Estate, the true meaning of elegance is building into each one of our showrooms. La nouvelle 807. Confort et luminosité. Espace et modularité. Peugeot. Pour que l'automobile soit toujours un plaisir. Take a bite and indulge yourself with the chocolate heritage. Let yourself be seduced by tenderizing textures and tastes. Subscribe to my godivachocolatier.com and discover your chocolate profile.